Hello, welcome to the Battery Show Asia and Mobility Tech Asia. Please, could you introduce yourself? Tell me about your company and what you could do today.
Yeah, great. Pleasure. Thank you very much. My name is Thomas Brendler. I'm working for the Norma Group. We are headquartered in Germany, and we are an expert of thermal management systems for automotive applications, industrial applications, and we are here the first time at the battery show in Hong Kong.
Yeah. So because it's like the first Asia editions, right, for the Battery Show Asia, what's your first impression?
The first impression reminds me very similar about the battery shows that we attended to in Europe. Mm-hmm. They started small, but they are super important that they were established. We start participating 8 years ago at the battery show in Europe, and we think this battery show here in Asia will have the same future. It will constantly grow because there's a big demand to have a quality show for that topic.
All right. Yeah, wonderful to hear that. And knowing that you've been across the globe attending conferences, events, so maybe you can share what makes the Battery Show Asia different from the other shows.
Yeah, it's professionally organized. It has it is addressing the right audience, the right visitors, and also the right exhibitors. Mm-hmm. And with the good image of the European and North American shows, it has a big advantage that, like we participated because we know that type of show already, and I think it will be for the future the same.
Okay. So for Norma Group, right, for these editions, what are the new innovations or the products that you are showcasing today for this time being?
Yeah, very, very much focusing on integration of functions, about the reduction of pressure drop and pressure losses in thermal management circuits.
Yeah.
And just high quality products. Co-engineering with the customer, that means being a development partner together with the customer. All these kind of topics is what we are focusing on.
Okay. And also knowing the fact that this is the first day, but so far, what are the audience profile looks like? The one that have visited the booth, is it like meeting the expectations from your brand?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the exhibition here it's the first one. It's not the biggest. Not comparable to Europe in the meantime, but we had a lot of visitors here and a lot of interest, particularly in our interfaces, let's say the technology side of our solutions. So we had visitors from car makers, from truck makers, from suppliers, but also international interest, not only from China, but also from India, from the Americas. So it's very interesting. Very diverse audience, something what you would expect from Hong Kong as being an international meeting place.
Yeah, sure, Thomas. And maybe last question. Let's say if you need to describe the show in one sentence, what would that be?
In one sentence, I like to talk a lot, you noticed. In one sentence, here in the show which displays the future in which is coming from Asia. This is actually the battery show here, which will help us to see already today what will come in the future to Europe, for example. So here we are where the future starts.
Okay. And with that, thank you so much, Thomas. It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you very much. Yeah.